How to use Nomad eSIM. Nomad is a company that provides eSIM services, allowing travelers to buy and use mobile data plans in over 200 countries without needing a physical SIM card. Their service is data-only and avoid roaming charges. First step is, you need to make sure to purchase your eSIM plan from their website. Then download Nomad eSIM application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then log into your account with email and password. You will going to receive a Nomad eSIM QR code in your email address. Then go to your mobile settings. Then go to Connection. Press on eSIM and click on Add eSIM. Click Next. Then you need to simply scan the QR code that you have received from Nomad eSIM. Click on Download. Then click on three-dot button and select Enable. That's it. Thanks for watching.